Doctor?
Bilang po isang mabuting estudyante, una ko po gagawin ay magiging isang example ko o bilang na good role model para makita ko nila ang aking action at para magbago yung mga nila. Yun lang po ang gusto ko.
Thank you very much, candidate number 14. The question for Ms. Amore number 14 will be asked once again by Ms. Shira Marie Pagao.
Hi, candidate number 14, for your question. If you discovered that some students were cheating in an exam, what would you do to address the issue? Kung nalaman mo may mga estudyanteng nandaraya sa isang pagsusulit, anong hakbang ang gagawin mo para matugunan ang issue?
Well, thank you for that wonderful question. Gusto ko itong pag-usapan in privately. And hihikayanin ko siya na pag-usapan ito ng private at sasabihan ko siya ng maayos na dapat maging fair siya sa ibang estudyante dahil ang ibang estudyante ay nag-aaral ng mabuti at nagsusumikap para makuha yung gradong gusto nila. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, candidates number 14. Next are candidates number 15. The question for Mr. Amore number 15 will be asked once again by Mr. Edward Drexler Ganyao.
Hello, Mr. Amore, number 15. How would you address issues about cheating among students? Paano mo tutugunan ang mga issue tungkol sa pagdaraya ng mga estudyante? How would you address issues about cheating among students? Paano mo tutugunan ang mga issue tungkol sa pagdaraya ng mga estudyante?
Thank you for that question. For me po, gagawin ko is sasabihin ko sa guidance if ever makita sila mag-teaching pero makausapin ko po sila kung bakit nila ginagawa yun. And ayun na po, thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Amore number 15. Next is Ms. Amore number 15 and will be asked once again by Dr. Margarita Mercado.
Here's your question, candidate number 15. What do you think is the most encountered problem of a teenager when it comes to love?